Hi guys, so today we are making some breadfruit tacos. We're making tacos with breadfruit, taco shells with breadfruit. Never done this before, so we're gonna see how it turns out. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. Vegan tacos obviously, but they're gonna be mushroom filling, and I'm gonna make like a mango salsa, some fried cauliflower to go in as a filling as well. It's gonna be like some salad, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I semi-have everything. Peppers, plantain, cauliflower, breadfruit, the main thing, loads of veggies, and the mangoes for the salsa. I pretty much have all the ingredients here. What I'm gonna do, hold on, let me show you guys. So I'm making the fillings, but I'm not gonna record that because I have to make a separate video. But I'm gonna do some fried cauliflower, deep fried cauliflower, and some jerk mushrooms. Okay, so what I'm doing now is making the cauliflower wings. So I've got my batter and I've got my toppings and I've got the cauliflower. I'm going to start making the taco shell. So what I'm going to do is peel it and then cut it in thin slices. So I've currently got some water boiling, which is going to soften the taco shells and make them easy to bend and then fry. But what I've had to do is, chef life, I had to make flour for the batter because I didn't have any flour that I can use. So I just blended up some oats with a bit of coconut just to give it some zhuzh, pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna actually use a bread knife to cut this and see how it works out. So I've just been boiling this water and I'm gonna bring that over to the side so I can put in the breadfruit slices. In the shells, putting them in the water for about 20 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds, not long at all, just so they can soften up a bit. Because if you do them too soft, they're not gonna hold. That shake, and then just slide in the toothpick. Might have to put in a few. These are the 4 that made it. Okay, so I'm just heating up the oil now. I've got the shells. I just fried up all these yummy cauliflower. These are so good. So all I've got left is to fry up some plantain, fry the rest of the breadfruit, and then ready to serve. In goes the first one. On the middle to get fried as well. Okay, then we're getting somewhere. This is the first one. Oh, pretty decent. Okay, so the shells are done. They look delightful. So now I'm just gonna plate them up. So we've got the cauliflower chicken, salsa, which is scotch bonnet, mango, peppers, onion. We've got the taco shells, parsley, some fried ripe plantain, some mushrooms and bell peppers, lettuce, and some limes. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a shell. This one's a bit discombobulated. I'm gonna grab a shell, and I'm first gonna go in with some lettuce, just a little bit of lettuce, and then I'm gonna go in with some mushrooms and peppers, and then I'm gonna go in with some plantain. And then a bit of salsa. Okay, so this is the first taco. It looks good, it looks good. Now let's make the others. This is the jerk mushroom one. Let me put some extra plants in, and I'll put some pepper sauce on top as well. As you can see. Now I'm going to try the chicken one. I'm going to squeeze some lime on this one. Add some plantain. Okay, I'm going to go enjoy my lunch now, but a little bit ago.